I can't find any digging sticks, but there's a cool rock. It's like white. Let's see if we can mount you up here. I'm gonna try fishing. You stay there. First cast. Fish life. Here's what we're using for bait. A little rubber grub worm. Hey, you're getting bigger. Second cast. A little bit bigger. Hey, these are the ones that are real pretty in the sun. You want to see the real pretty fish in the sun? Oh, too bad. He got away. He's hiding right there, though. A lot of snakes out this time of year. I'm not sticking my hand in there. Let's catch some more. I didn't bring the mountie thing. Sorry. Let's see if we can get you over here. good one. We can check out his colors. Got some crazy blues and stuff going on. Is that why they call them bluegills, you think? Why do they all keep hiding under that rock? Catch some more. Another one. There's one. Alrighty. Well, here's the situation here. We can't bottle dig because that ground is just as hard as concrete. I wish we could though. We'll come back this winter or later this fall when it's like soggy but not muddy. You know what I'm saying? We'll have to make us a new digger. I said digger with a D, as in dummy, as in Mr. Scrappity. But yeah, it appears ours is gone. There's there's my bobber there too. My float, and then I seen another one. I thought I tossed it somewhere. Oh, there it is. So I'm assuming and recommencing that somebody else has been here. Maybe walked off with them few little artifacts we left on that tree along with the digging stick. Or maybe they just tossed it aside somewhere and we're not seeing it from all the leaf litter. I don't know. We're just trying not to fall in and not get bit by any sneaks. Them sneaks are snaky. I'm just gonna tiptoe our little ass right on across here. 1 foot there, 1 foot there, and then another one over there. Simple as that. Really do wish they would not have dumped all that concrete over there. That was a truly unepic thing to do. You know you're supposed to carry your pole backwards as you're walking through the woods like that. That way you don't have to do what I'm doing and try to navigate this thing through all the shrubbery. Here, look, we got a nice sandy little beach. You guys want to sit in the sand? I had one. That was a good one. A little bitty guy. I'll look at the little bitty guy. Let's ask him something. Do you know a guy named Bob? I don't think he does. Distant cousin, maybe? Alright, let's do some traveling. I think this little hole might be played out. Big tree came down. Nice little open spot, like right along that bank there, if you were to do into doing some like agricultural type business. You guys watch that flower guy? Look at him, him's pretty. They're from the, I don't know what the fuck they are family. Part of the beats the shit out of me species. That, I do believe, is that a sycamore tree? It will grow up to be one of these big giant motherfuckers around here. Got the white bark on it. I've never really dug in this part of the bank, this far down. I always dug up that way, by where they dump the concrete. So I'm not sure if there's treasures in there as well. Spooking up the bunny life. Hey, this is a nice looking hole right here. Do you guys like the look of this hole? I think I'm liking the look of this hole. Let's set you down. Check out the bone, man. That's like a big jointy type bone. And I've heard the more porous they are, they could be human. Look at that. That's awfully porous, man. What do you guys think? Knee bone? That's somebody's fucking hip? Creepy, huh? Who's in the hill, Mr. Scrappity? I don't know. Look. It's Sally Mander. Would have been a nice little medicine bottle. I like this shit as much as I like scrapping. Cause the same way with like what's around the next corner. It's the same as like if you just get 2 more little scrapes just a little further back, what's there? You never know. You just gotta look and see. Walking sucks. Had to run across a fucking road down there. We park at the park and we walk down to the creek.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?